How are things going for everyone? It's Sam. The Bitcoin ETFs had a great day today. In all honesty, I turned off my phone last night. I just now checked and saw that Blackrock bought a lot of Bitcoin. Overall, we also saw a lot of money come in, and this is the best week since the 10th week of the Bitcoin ETFs. This is week 20. I'm going to show you some of those numbers. I'll also show you the flipping that's about to happen with elliott switching to Grayscale. Grayscale is aware of this. On their website, they wrote about it. I also want to talk about something else. Today we're in a different car. We're going to talk about that. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon below the video. There will also be a link to Margex below the video in case you want to start trading cryptocurrencies. Also, I'll try to keep this short since we're at the farm. This place has terrible internet, so if I wait too long, this will likely take 5 hours to upload. Which means I guess we should talk about it. Let's go. Okay, here are the Bitcoin ETFs that have a lot of money coming in today. It was $182 million for Blackrock. They paid $2,600 for Bitcoin. Fidelity has $44 million, ARK has 4, and so on. Let's go all the way down the line. At the end, we had $252 million coming in, which was less than the average for the week. I think so, since we bought a total of 15,000 Bitcoin. It's crazy that about 15,000 were bought in a week. We've seen bigger than this before. I'm going to hodl 15 now. I already told you that this is the most money coming in since week 10. Back in week 6, we had 44,000, which was our best week ever. You can see that we had 35,000 back then. The price of Bitcoin is really good when there are flows like this. Of course, the price can be held down for a while if other people or businesses sell, but this kind of constant buying will finally drive the price up. It's just a matter of when. In the future, we expect more money to come in, which will cause the price to rise. That's what I think about this bull run. We also saw something very interesting. We're almost ready to switch between elliott and Grayscale. It's clear that they need less than 2,000 Bitcoin to trade places. Before you say anything else, Grayscale did take down. They had the most Bitcoin ETFs of any company in the world. They changed it to the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust ETF now. Very interesting. They know what's written on the wall, but that won't matter for much longer as long as they hold the most Bitcoin or the most Bitcoin in general. Provider of ETF. Now, here's something really cool that has nothing to do with Bitcoin. I guess we can end this by saying that Bitcoin has caused a big change in the political scene. It looks like a lot of leaders now support Bitcoin more. At some point, there will be a supply shock. ETFs are being bought. There are also very large entities buying like country states. It will happen soon. Most of the time, things get interesting 3 months after Bitcoin was split in half. We'll have to wait a little while longer, but something really cool is coming. Based on Teslanomics, this car was in a house that was burned down. It was on fire inside for more than 30 minutes. The back still works even though it got fried. Really cool. Tesla is not like other people. They really know how to make cars last a long time. After thinking about that, we bought something big. After a long time, my wife finally wants a new car. We really like EVs. We have a Tesla right now, in case you didn't know. But we got a second car. Our Camry is going away. We got a Rivian. Really cool. This thing is great so far. Sincerely, there are a few things coming from Tesla that make me a little angry. I wish some things were more like Tesla's, but if you're ever thinking about getting a Rivian, it's really cool. I'm indeed at a charger right now. Right now, there aren't many chargers. As of now, we do not have the adapter, so you cannot use the Tesla chargers. They just got this in, and they still haven't sent many adapters to people. It's hard to charge right now, but we're going to get one for our house. At our house, even the charger that plugs into a wall tried it. It said 3 or 4 days would pass, and the charging speed was 0 miles per hour. We had to go to a different charger because of this. I agree, but these charges are also slow. Yes, I understand it's a major issue. So far, though, it's interesting. Going home will be fun. That's one thing you don't have to worry about if you have a Tesla, since they are easy to find and charge quickly. This needs to be fired up more, and I hope it doesn't become a problem soon when they switch to an ACS. But the car is great so far. It runs great and goes very fast. We also got a great deal on it. Having an SUV is great. In real life, I've never owned an SUV. I've always had cars. Okay, that's cool. Thanks for watching. Feel free to tell me in the comments if you have an EV. You can also visit the link to Bitcoin Bubble if you want to trade. Thanks a lot. The next film will be with you. Goodbye.